having any alliance with anybody. Party should be taken into confidence. Devegodaji, Kumaraswamy, CM Ibrahim should join together. Then they have discussed.
You're saying you're hurt?
I got respect for Amit Shah. I got great respect for Modi ji. He is the Prime Minister of our country. But Janata Dal also got its votes, values.
What will be your next move, sir?
16th I have called the meeting. I will take the opinion of all my people. Then I will decide.
So you're saying you're very much hurt by the decision taken by your party?
Not decision taken not by party. Some of the leaders of the party.
Has the
Without-
former
without your
CM or former
consultation?
Prime Minister tried to speak to you, sir? Have a word with you in this regard?
No.
Even after the deliberations in New Delhi, they have still not spoken to you?
After coming back New Delhi, they wanted to speak to me.
Okay.
I said आप दिल्ली को चले गए हैं तो फिर अब बात करने का क्या है? अब मुझे बात करना है. 16 तारीख को 16th I will meet all the people. Then I will come to you.
People of only your constituency or any other leader?
No, throughout the state, not my constituency.
Sir, Muslim leaders are asking your resignation that you should not be in that place after joining hands with the communal party. They are saying.
See, I told you, no. I am an elected president. It is your house. If somebody come to your house, do you vacate your house? Wait.
Sir, are you keeping your options open? Are you keeping your options open apart from the JDS?
Naturally. You see, we are the party who uphold the constitution of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Vasatattva. Rashtra Kavi Kuvempu Chintana Mantana. We are philosophical people.
Look this way, sir.
Philosophical people. So that's why we have called all the people. I will take all their opinion. Then we will come to you.
So where do you see the future of JDS and BJP alliance? So 1 minute.
सर क्या आप चाहते हैं कि अभी मैत्री तोड़ दे? What is your
16 तारीख को मीटिंग के बाद बात करेंगे.
Sir, one second.
Last one, sir. What do you think about the future of the JDS and the BJP alliance?
नहीं अभी कुछ अलायंस हुआ ही नहीं. आप थिंक क्यों कर रहे हैं?
अरे अलायंस का
They have
अनाउंसमेंट हो
formally
गया
announced
है.
it.
They have said we met, लेकिन अभी तक कोई फॉर्मल अलायंस नहीं हुआ है.
Devegoda ji clearly told that the alliance is in the formal stages as well. We have sealed the
Formal stated, but still no decision has been taken.
Yes.
Alliance with what?
Without your
Just meeting two leaders is the alliance? No. What about our principles? Whether BJP has accepted Janata Dal's principles or Janata Dal accepted BJP principles? What is that?
but both are
Recent
both sides,
developments,
sir.
both are accepted their principles,
Sir, your party JDS Supreme Minister Devegoda and Kumaraswamy said that we accepted both. They are
No.
intact.
And even seat arrangements have also been
But
discussed.
but you are the party president.
No.
Sir, they say that their only aim is to rout the Congress, win 28 out of 28 seats. That is why we are coming together. Both the BJP and the JDS are coming together.
इससे देश का मसला हल नहीं होगा. कांग्रेस को हराने से देश का मसला हल होता है क्या? बीजेपी अब 20 जीते हैं यहाँ. कर्नाटक का मसला हल हुआ है क्या? What is Kaveri today? Why BJP MPs are not opening their mouth? Should not we ask it?
Look this way, sir.
So that's why you see, I can't all the things elaborate this before you. 16th I am meeting with the people, I will talk.